I come from a family of artists and naturalists and found my people in conservation.
It's sort of vocational, I think, for the people that do it. You can't imagine doing anything else.
Last summer, we hosted a workshop that brought together experts from all over the world to discuss how we can best treat paintings that are predominantly unpainted. Following that workshop, Kenneth Noland's Karma from 1964 came to all of our attention. It had overall staining, overall discoloration in the canvas.
It had long been considered unexhibitable because of its condition, so we hadn't hung it on our walls for decades.
This painting is about 50% unpainted cotton canvas, and the blue chevron shapes are synthetic paint that sort of bleeds into the canvas and acts more like a stain or a dye than a traditional paint. The way that canvas reflects light in a unique way, differently than paint does, is central to how Kenneth Noland was hoping that the viewer would be able to enjoy this work of art. It's really a lot more like a textile than a traditional painting. And so we have to think about its treatment in a similarly unique way. This kind of treatment has been done on paintings of this size and larger, but in this museum, we have never done this before. Aqueous light bleaching is both a washing procedure and a light bleaching procedure. So when exposed to UV, water converts into hydrogen peroxide, which has a bleaching effect. And if the painting is kept constantly wet, exposure to UV can actually brighten the material. The UV levels in the shade were much more appropriate for the level of darkening that we were seeing, and we were able to control the treatment much better than if we had done it in the sun.
The painting had been so enormous, to get it upright takes 4 or 5 people. And then to travel through all the various doorways to the elevator, downstairs, outside, it doesn't always fit through the door.
Elevator, the height is like 1/4 inch clearance.
It was an incredible ballet, but everyone was really having fun.
See you on the other side.
We actually put the painting on top of a support that was on wheels so that we could move the treatment surface with the movement of the sun throughout the length of the treatment, which was very unique. We had a wonderful result of even brightening of the canvas overall. The local stains were greatly diminished. This was a very vulnerable moment for myself, but also the Harvard Art Museums more broadly, just because it's a high-pressure, kind of one-shot treatment, and that is very unusual in conservation. To have the support and excitement of the museum and the broader Harvard community and the broader conservation community was really, really wonderful. I think that experience will always live with me, and it'll always live with this painting. We're all now kind of part of this painting's history, not just me. It's a really wonderful thing, and I want to do more of it.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
So wonderful.